Okay guys, in this video I will let you know how to repressurize your combi boiler. It is very important to keep checking the pressure gauge of your boiler to work it properly. So as you can see here, in this boiler, this is like it is showing the bar which is less than 1. So when is the pressure is less than 1, boilers sometimes stop working, so then you need to repressurize it. So how you need to do, first of all you need to just turn the turn the boiler off. As this is off, so I will just let you know how we can repressurize it. So you need to just open the bottom panel. um, as this doesn't have the bottom panel, it is already open, so you need to open the bottom panel to get the access. So and then you can see in this video, like there's a different pipes. There's a one here with a blue color. So like different boilers has a different system, but this boiler, as this is Worcester Greenstar, so it has quite easy system. So you can see this blue color lever. So all you need to do just to pull it down. So when you put it down, you can hear the water noise. So it has started filling the it has started filling the heating system. So now you will see the bar will start going up. It can take a few minutes to refill the heating system. So once the bar is above 1, around 1.5, at that time you can stop filling. So I think you can see this bar is going up slowly. So I will stop filling the heating system once the bar reaches 1.5. So I think it is now at the minute is 1.5. So all you need to do is just you have to pull it down here, and then you just need to release the lever, and it will stop filling the heating system. After that you can turn this on. Now it has started working. So this is how you repressurize your Worcester boiler. But if your boiler is different company, you need to maybe read from your manual. But if you still struggle how to repressurize your boiler, I think it's better you just get help from who is expert. Many thanks for watching this video.